Good afternoon, Kaisar Nadeem from Islamabad, Pakistan. Here are some major headlines updated. First of all, it's Russia and Ukraine. Russia is stepping back. Russia has left Snake Island. Its forces retreat and coming back and leaving, according to Russian President, this island our forces has left just because of giving a food passage, a food way to carry wheat and other goods for export by Ukraine. But Ukrainian forces has occupied again this island, and this shows that Russia is coming back and getting back from war, because this war is spreading out more as NATO resolution and promises an increase of troops from 40,000 till 300,000 and base camp on permanent basis from American and NATO's and increased in aid to NATO and Ukraine. These all making more comfortable Ukraine in war, and NATO is also as membership giving to Finland and Sweden. And Finland and Sweden is also getting this membership as Turkey was having an objection, but this objection was completely come into point, and an agreement in between Turkey and Finland and Sweden, according to mutually agreed formula, established. So Turkey is no more in the way of objection against Finland and Sweden to get membership of NATO. Now come to Russia again. Russia, as I have already said in my others updated news, that Russia is losing the war because alliances, economic conditions, as China and India were giving support, but still it needs more. Russia needs more because it has a 1,200 or 1,340 kilometer long border with Finland directly. That's why, because these both countries are going to get the membership of NATO, it's create worry for Vladimir Putin. But on contrary, according to response from Russian President Vladimir Putin, that we have no objection in getting NATO membership by Finland and Sweden, because we have objection on just Ukraine, and that is the matter. Until and unless supply and other things increased by these countries make worry for Russia, it is something else. But on contrary, we are still in ease. As I have already said, that Russia is getting back from war and other things, and according to said by Russian President Vladimir Putin, that for the food crisis, and we are giving the away for exporting wheat and other goods to Ukraine. It is also thoughtful that Russia acknowledging that this war and its consequences could be more serious than expectations. That is why, and according to another way, that NATO forces stepping ahead and showing full resolution on it to continue support of Ukraine. and this could end, and as well as another meeting in between Russian delegation and Soviet delegation, being a cartel on oil production. Today's meeting, this delegation to maximize the supply of oil to bring the prices down. It is also a good news for international, especially for businessmen, for stock market and Bitcoin. It moves the prices of Bitcoin and stock market up again, because one side is coming down as Russia is getting back, and that could lead to all the environment, and the oil prices, gas prices, and other food prices could come down. That is all now. Thank you once again. We will be again with the next major headline news. Thank you so much.